Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clear all the history search here, the search history, and how you can disable this history search or search history app here. You can disable it completely. So here, in order to do that, you can click start icon and go to the settings. Here you can try to search privacy and security. Scroll down and click on search permission, safe search, cloud content search, and search history. You can scroll down again, and this is the history option. There's a search history on this device. To improve your search suggestions, let Windows Search store your search history locally on this device. This feature is on by default, this one and also this one. So you can try to turn it off. And also, in order to clear the history, you can just click this clear device search history button to clear or remove all at once. So feel free to try to turn off search history on this device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.